Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the SweetMeet Dating application. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is go to our Player App Store, search for SweetMeet and go ahead and download and install SweetMeet Dating application. Now, time of recording, it's got around, that's how many reviews. So basically you need to get it from SweetMeet. This is the official application for it. Now, once you've downloaded and installed, go ahead and open up for the first time. Now, once you've opened it up, you need to go ahead and choose your gender. So, obviously, I'm a man. Put in your first name. Click next. How old are you? Next. So, you just basically answer all the basic questions they're going to put in front of you. Okay, on this page, discover connections in your city. So, you need to allow access to your location. You can do while using the application. Now you can allow SweetMeet to send you notifications. Then from here, you're going to be taken to this page. So you haven't uploaded a photo, so nobody will see you without a photo. So upload a photo to start dating. So go ahead and click on add photo. Now we've got two options, upload from phone or take a selfie. So yeah, choose either one. All right, so I've added my photo. It's not a very good one. I just use one of my thumbnails just for this demo. Now we can add up to 6 photos, so make sure they're nice and clear. You don't want no blurry photos or anything. You want basically 6 best images to improve your chances of getting a match on the app. So yeah, click out of that. Now once we've done that, we can go ahead and check out the app. Okay, so in this interface, if you don't like someone, you can go ahead and click on the cross. So if that's no good, if you like someone, you can send them a heart. Now once you send them a heart or say hello, you can go ahead and actually send them a message. Now on this thing here, it says you received the coin. So with the help of coins, you can open likes, send gifts and receive attention. So what we can do is keep liking and get more attention. So if you like people, just go ahead and like them, like so. If you don't like them, click on the cross. Now if we click on the little red arrow, this is going to open up their chat. Now we can go ahead and send them a message. So hey, what's up? Then click send. We can send a gift at the same time. So these do cost coins. So to purchase more coins, click on the plus icon. Now, if we scroll down, we can buy coins. So the more coins you buy, the more profitable it is. So if you get 2,750 coins, it's going to be at least 1,250 free coins with that. Or if you just want 500 odd coins, you can purchase that for $13. This is in AU. Now, if we go back here, I can send them a gift, but I don't have enough coins. So basically, I'm just going to say, hey, what's up? And click send. And then it'll say your message has been successfully sent. Now, once you've done that, now you're going to get ads here. Just simply skip out of that. So it'll say, hey, what's up? And now you notice here it says not read. So you've got to wait until they're going to reply back to you. So you can, when they see it, if they like you, they're going to reply back. Now, if we click on the 3 horizontal bars, we can check out some more information here. So here we can check out our profile by clicking on that. So we can upload more photos. Again, there are ads in this application, so you just got to be patient with it. But if you do subscribe to their premium, you're going to remove these ads, so keep that in mind too. I'm just going to skip out of that. Alright, so we want to show your photo, but you can't because this photo did not pass moderation. Upload your real photo and it will show up to 50, and it will show it up to 50 girls out of turn. So yeah, basically that wasn't a good photo, but it was just for demonstration. Now from here, we can add photos on this page. Now you want to write, say, a short intro about yourself, your professions. We'll get along if you, for example, respect your partner's personal boundaries at a time. In my free time, I like to fill that out. I like to cooking, dogs, just put in things you like to do and click save. So just scroll through here. We've got here purpose of acquaintance. So you got 19 steps. So just basically answer these here. So purpose of acquaintance, if you want friendship, communication, family, etc. So if you want family, click that. Purpose of acquaintance. So basically just go through all that. I'm just going to skip this because there is a lot to it. So now if I go back to here, we can see our messages. This is where all of our messages are going to appear. Again, more ads. And now someone's messaged me saying, hey, how are you? I was going to say, not bad. So yeah, basically chat like that. Now you got more people to chat to at the top here. If we click on the 3 horizontal lines, we can see want to meet. So these are the people that you have liked. So now to open these, we need to go ahead and get coins. So I'm just going to click on the 3 horizontal lines and click onto you like. So these are the people that you have liked. So you can have a look at all of them. Now we can check out the activity. So because I don't have a photo, there is no activity yet. And then obviously you got settings and support. Also you got photo line, more messages after showing your photo to everyone in the region, so you can become famous, etc.